Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Easter Assembly. The sign of the week is Easter egg. Easter egg. Can you sign Easter egg? This week we celebrate World Autism Awareness Week, and I have a challenge for all of you. I want you in your classrooms using a jigsaw puzzle theme to create a jigsaw puzzle piece that illustrates what makes each of us unique. I want you to display them in the walls and in the corridors in celebration of diversity in amazing Ardnashee. Now, we're going to have an Easter bucket. First, we have bucket.
Yay.
Then we have egg splat. First bucket, then egg splat. I've got something in my bucket, in my bucket, in my bucket. I've got something in my bucket. What could it be? It's a chick. A chick. A dancing Easter chick. Dancing Easter chick. Stop. What else is in my bucket?
Bye-bye, chickie.
We've got a tiny chick and a bunny. Wine, wine, wine. Wine, wine, wine. Oh! Stop. What else is in my bucket? We've got yellow, blue, green, and red. In my bucket, it's an Easter egg. Bucket has finished. Now it's time for egg splat. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Squirt. Shake, 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 shake. Squirt. And stop. Yellow paint. Shake, 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 shake. Squirt. 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 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Splat. 3, 2, 1. 1, splat. 3, 2, 1, splat.
It went everywhere. Let me try. 1, 2, 3.
Egg splat has finished. Now, I just want to wish all our pupils a very happy Easter. A really, really happy Easter. And I just want to say a big thank you to all our Ardnashee family and hope you have a great Easter break.